Hi everyone, happy new year and welcome to my video tutorial channel for the Tridion. So this is the third blog today I'm sharing with you all. I have planned to share one of the coolest feature of the Tridion, that is the data extender. I already demonstrated how to create a data extender and how to deploy it on the server in my blog. If you have missed it, you can find the URL in the description section. I have already shared the working example code into the GitHub, so you may download it from the GitHub link. The link is provided into the description section. You can download it, you can build it and deploy it as the steps mentioned in the blog. So I have already prepared my local machine with the Sites9 as you can see here, and I already deployed the data extender. So before I jump into the demonstration, I just wanted to show you how I have deployed it for your reference. So as a part of the deployment process, the first thing you have to do is you have to deploy your DLL. For that, you have to navigate to the Tridion installer home, then web UI, web root and bin. As you can see here, I already navigated to that folder and I just copy pasted my DLL over here. The next step is you have to deploy your configuration file. For that, I always love to create a separate folder because I don't want to disturb the default installer file. So here you can see under the Tridion, I have created my own folder called custom project, and under that I have put my configuration file, that is the data extender config file. And the last step is you have to register it under the system.configuration file. So under the editor section here, you can see I have already registered my data extender. So that's all. The only thing you have to do is after this deployment, you have to restart all the Tridion services along with IIS. Okay, so deployment is done and I have already restarted all my services. So it is now ready for the demonstration. For that, I need to navigate to the 400 example sites. So let's see how it works. Boom, you can see your custom data has been injected already into the default GUI response, and it started coming as an extra column at the end called publish to. The data is reflecting for the pages because that page is already published. Unfortunately, I don't have any other targets available in this local machine, so I can only show you with the staging environment. And for the structure group, it is coming as a blank because the structure groups are not yet published. So if you publish it, it will start reflecting over here. So the data will reflect for the structure group, pages and components and categories, because that's the way we have implemented in our code. So apart from this, the interesting part is you can also perform certain operation over this column. So like sorting and filter. Let's take an example. If user wanted to see how many items are published into the staging environment, so they can easily filter it out from here. They can select the staging and they can see, okay, fine, so this many items are already published into the staging environment. So that's all. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching this demo.